Routing form responses to different email inboxes can save you time and help you stay organized. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to route form responses efficiently, no matter which form tool you're using. Stick around till the end, as I'll also share an exclusive free trial of a software that makes this process even easier. If you've been trying to route your form responses manually, you know how time-consuming it can be. But with the right tool, it becomes a breeze. And I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. The first step is to choose a form building software that supports email routing. Many popular tools allow you to route responses based on specific conditions. The software we'll be using today makes this process intuitive and fast, so you can get your email inboxes organized without hassle. Once you're logged into the software, start by creating your form. As you're building your form, you'll want to look for the notification or email settings. This is where the magic happens. These settings let you define which email address will receive responses based on the answers submitted. For example, you might have a contact form with fields for location or department. If someone selects Sales as their department, their response could go straight to the sales inbox. If they select Support, it could go to your support team. This setup allows you to avoid confusion and ensures the right person sees the right information quickly. Now, let's dive into how to set this up in the software we'll be using. First, go to your form's email settings and locate the option to add conditional rules. Here, you can specify which email addresses should receive responses based on particular form fields. For instance, if the department field is filled out with HR, you can route that response directly to your HR team's inbox. This feature also works with other conditional fields, such as geographic location, product interest, or priority level. For each condition, just select the corresponding email address you want the form responses routed to. But what if you want to route all responses to one email, regardless of what's selected? Simple, set a default email address to capture all the form submissions that don't match any conditional rules. This ensures nothing gets missed. Once you've configured the routing settings, make sure to test the form to ensure responses are going to the correct inboxes. It's always a good idea to run a few test submissions to check that everything's working smoothly. By using this software, you'll avoid the clutter in your inbox, and your team will get only the emails that matter to them. No more sifting through irrelevant form responses or missing important messages. Before we wrap up, don't forget, if you want to follow along and try this yourself, I've partnered with a software provider to offer you an exclusive free trial. The link is in the description below. Key takeaway: routing form responses to different email inboxes can save you time and keep your team organized. Set up conditional rules based on form fields to direct submissions where they need to go. Test your form to ensure everything's set up correctly. Thanks for watching, and remember to take advantage of the free trial in the description below.